Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Make a restore point and use an admin account. Open Event Viewer and Filter for Service Control Manager errors so you capture the exact event ID and timestamps. Once done, record the failing service name and any dependencies listed. That tells you whether a missing driver, wrong permissions, or failed dependency is the cause. Make sure to note service startup type and error code. This focused data will guide targeted fixes instead of random changes. Now diagnose. Inspect the service executable path and verify file existence and NTFS permissions so the service account can access it. Next, confirm dependencies are running. Use services. MSC or SC query / start to bring them online. If the error suggests corruption, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system components that prevent service load. If the service uses a driver, check device manager and driver signing. Once you fix permission or dependent, finish by setting the correct startup type and configure recovery options to restart or run a script on failure. This prevents transient issues from causing repeated downtime. If the binary is damaged, reinstall or repair the application and re-register any COM components or services with SC Create or the vendor installer. If problems persist, perform a clean boot and reproduce the error. Collect Event Viewer and system logs for deeper analysis. One key troubleshooting tip: always test fixes in a controlled state before rolling them out broadly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.